WordPress for Dummies, how to make a website in 2020. So guys, before I begin, my name is Yavar Khan. I create a lot of WordPress tutorial plugin reviews and how to build an online brand. So please consider subscribing. So let's get back to the video, and if you watch the video till the end, I have a free bonus for you. So let's begin. So guys, how to make a website in 2020. So it's very simple. You just require three things. You need hosting and domain. So hosting is where you save your site, and the domain name is like yavarkhan.com, google.com. that's the domain name. You need to install WordPress. So basically WordPress is a free website builder, or on technical terms, content management system. And then at the end, we need to make our website really beautiful, so we'll install themes and plugins. So guys, let's begin. So first things first, Bluehost is one of the best web hosting for WordPress. Guys, they give you a free domain for the first year, free SSL certificate, so no need to worry about hackers, and it's very easy to install the website. It will only take you 3 seconds. Yes, you heard me right, only 3 seconds. And they have a 30-day money back guarantee. And just for you guys, I have a 70% discount. The link is down below. So it's very simple. Just get started. Click over here. I would always select the recommended one. Always do that. And then just put your domain name. So for just demo purposes, I'm going to put something like this. So put your domain name over here. And then once that's done, fill out the details and select 1 year. So usually it comes up to 100 or 100 around $100. Buy it, trust me, I've tried all the other web hosting. This is the best web hosting. Once you do that, then all you have to do is you'll get an email notification about your login ID. So just like a basic simple payment, and then set up your account. Then once you get your domain name, just log into your account. And creating a website is really easy. So all you have to do is click on my sites, create a site. Let's say we'll create site called demo 9, and then you put your site tagline. So let's say you are a makeup artist, so put your name over here and say makeup artist. Okay, so put your site tagline or your business tagline, click next. I'm going to select this domain, so select your domain from here. I'm going to put demo 9. You don't have to put this. I already have a website on this domain, so I'm just creating a directory. You don't have to put this. Click next. Just wait for 3 seconds. 1, 3. So guys, within 3 seconds you have installed WordPress. Congratulations. This is how simple it is. Now all you have to do is log into WordPress. So this is it. So right now you're just going on the back end of the website. So this is the back end. So again guys, congratulations, you all have installed WordPress. If I go in front, this is our website right now. All you have to do is, if you want to post something, just come over here, just type something, demo 9 sample, and this you can start blogging as well, sample data, and then publish. Once you go back to your site right now, this is it. Now I'm just going to show you how to install a theme. Don't worry guys, it's really easy. Just go back. So from here, go back on dashboard. From dashboard, click on appearance and themes, and then just add new and just type Astra. Okay, so any theme, there are a lot of free themes as well, so you can install any theme from here. There are some paid ones, but just install the free theme. So I'm going to install Astra, so I'll just type Astra, and yeah, that's it. Click here, install. So now it's installing, and then just click on activate. Once it's activated, then just go on visit site. So this is how your website looks much more better. So guys, this is it, WordPress for Dummies. But guys, as I told you that if you watch the video till the end, I have a free bonus. So guys, I have created a free crash course on how to create a WordPress website from scratch, absolutely for beginners. I take you step by step. Each step I show you how to install WordPress, how to install a theme, how to install a plugin. I tell you each and everything, and it's free. So just join right now. The link is down below, and it's very easy and simple. So because in this video I can't explain you a lot, or it's going to take at least half an hour to make up a really good looking website. So everything's in the course. It's a free course. The link is down below. Join now, and I would see you inside the course. And thank you for watching, and I would see you in the next video.